Welcome guys, this is Data/Fun YouTube channel. Today we will see R tutorials for beginners. In this tutorial we will see what are the data types in R. So this is basically lesson 1, and if you planning to learn R, then this is very right time to learn R, because I am going to start R tutorial for very initial stage. So for that, please guys subscribe this YouTube channel and press the bell icon for getting future video updates. So let's see what are the data types of R. So mainly there are 6 atomic data types in R. First data type is a character, then integer, numeric, logical, factor, and complex. So these are the 6 data types in R. So step by step we will see what are they. First is character. So I have just created one vector here, student name, and this is concat function, C function in R. In bracket, Rohit, Ajit, Ricky, John, Salman. So basically these are the character, and it written in double code. You can observe it. So I'm just going to run this, and you can see here this is length is 5, and here character is a class. So you can check the class by this function, class in bracket our vector name student. So you can see here the class of that vector is character. The next data type is integer. So I just write here one name of vector mass underscore score, and C in bracket 50, 61, 74, 43, and 44. So this is the type of numeric. Okay, so basically what are the differences between numeric and integer data type? So this most of the times interviewer asks question to you in basic R programming interview. So numeric class contain decimal as well as whole numbers. So this is the default numeric class of that vector. But in integer type, it only contain whole number like 523. Okay, the whole number is contain only integer. So if you want to convert this numeric vector maths underscore score into integer, so you can convert it by this command as dot integer. So I just write same name here as dot integer and our numeric vector maths score. And you can check the class is changed numeric. Yeah. Then so output is this one, 50, 61, 74, which we have written in this bracket. The next data type is numeric. So percentage, C in bracket 70, 67.5, 55.1, 44.4, 77.3, and 78.3. So you can see the default data type of this vector is numeric. For just checking the what is happen if I convert this fraction vector, fraction type like 76.5 into integer. So just see here, and this whole integer term, integer vector will be stored in percentage 1. So you can observe here the fraction part is skipped by the integer data type. So only whole number it considered in integer data type. So integer type can contain only whole numbers. So hope you guys clear this concept, what are the differences between integer and numeric type. Then logical. So I just take this vector which we have already created, percentage, and I write a condition here greater than 50. If the percentage are greater than 50, then it will be true condition, and if not, then it will be false, and whole conditions will be stored in percentage above 50. So you can see here first value of percentage is 67.5, which is the right condition, which is greater than 50, that's what it giving the logical true. This is also true. 44 is less than 50, so it shows false, then true and true. So basically this is boolean vector, like a true false values in that vector. So the class of that vector you can see by this command, class of. So the data type is logical. Then next is factor data type. So I have just created one vector here, grades, and concat C function, medium, low, high, low, high. Then these are the grades. So output is in this format. So I just check the class of that vector is character, but I want to this vector is in factor, so I just convert it into factor by this command, as dot factor command for converting character vector into factor vector. And you can check the difference between the outputs of these two, character and factor vector. You can observe here in factor vector there is one output levels, so it shows the levels high, low, medium. In factor vector you can observe the unique values, which are the levels. So high, low, medium, these are the unique values. But in class of character there are no any levels present. So but you can observe here the levels is not in logical format. So basically we want here low, medium, high. So how to convert this in logical format, these levels? Very simple, same as factor command. Here is only factor command in R. And grades, you can give levels which you want. Levels is equal to C in bracket low, medium, high. So you can give the orders of level in depends on your choice. And you can see here the levels ordering are changed, low, medium, high, so which we have mentioned here. By level function, levels parameter, you can set the levels of that vector. Next data type is complex data type in R. So I just created one sample vector here, data underscore complex is equal to concat function 1 3 2i. The I is for imaginary number 33 5.6. So you can check the data type of that vector is complex. So it is very nice and easy to understand for data types in R. Then I just created one data frame for the all the vectors which we have created in this video: student name, math score, percentage, and grades. So all these vector combined by data frame, this data dot frame function, and it will be stored in df object. So first column is student name, then math score, percentage, and grade. So this is basically data frame, and if you input any Excel or CSV file, the output is in our output is data frame. So if you want to check the data types of each column, then you can use str command in R, strdf. By this command you can check the structure of data frame and dimension of the data frame. So the str command gives the output 5 observations, means 5 rows, and 4 variables, means 4 columns. And first column data type is factor, it's a student name. Then next is math score, which is integer. Then percentage, which is in number, and grade, which is in a factor. If you want to change the data type of first column, then you can also change. Then df, you can write here command df student name. Suppose I want to change the student name is in a factor, I just want to change in character. So I write here command as dot character df student name. Then just check the command structure of data frame, and you can see here the first column data type is changed into character. So you can change any data type. If you want integer into number, number into factor, you can change by as dot character then as dot integer, as dot factor, and that data frame column name. So hope you guys understand about what are the data types in R, and please stay tuned because I'm going to start this R tutorial from beginner level. So hope you will enjoy definitely, and thank you so much for watching.